Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. We're in the shop today. We're gonna show you this 1967 Shelby GT350 4-speed. So this is 2385. As you can see, inboard lights, which everybody loves. This is candy apple red with the white stripes over the top. Beautiful candy apple red paint job on this one. This is a 10-spoke car, so you do see the 10 spokes with the Shelby centers. You got the Polyglas Goodyears on this one. These do have the small letters. So we'll just take a stroll around, show you guys just how nice this one is. So again, in the shop, so going around the lift a little bit here today. So as you can see, GT350, see the stripes down the side, see the emblems. You got those Shelby side scoops. Like I said, beautiful candy apple red paint on this one. You got the car light glass. You can see it here in the rear. That Shelby tail panel. Show a little look. Forward chrome on this one. You got the Shelby tips. So we'll take a stroll to the passenger side. Can't get through all the way over here, so we'll just get a quick look at this one. We got this door ajar, so we're gonna open that real quick and get it shut. So great gaps on this one. Great body lines. Again, you can see just how pretty this one is. So we'll actually open up this door here, take a peek on the interior, show you guys just how nice this interior is. As you can see, all working lights. Beautiful black deluxe interior. You got that Shelby steering wheel. Like we said, this is a 4-speed, 3-pedal car. Everybody loves the 350 and the 4-speed. So you got all original belts. You can see those hard to find Shelby harnesses. This is a fold-down seat car. Again, beautiful black deluxe interior on this one. So we'll take a stroll over here to the trunk. I'll show you guys the trunk area. It does have the full-size spare in it. We'll show you guys the Elite Marti report that comes with this one. And the binder full of goodies. So again, extremely clean trunk area. You got the spare, the jack under it. Here's that Elite Marti report. So you can see this one actually sold in El Paso, Texas, then spent a little time up in Washington, then to Arizona. So this one's been in dry climbing all its life. Extremely original bodied car. Floors are beautiful with red oxide. You got their candy apple red oversprays, and you also have the black oversprays from the pinch welds. This is the binder. So you see the owner's manual, Marti report, all the pieces. It actually even has the, we can get to it here. Here you go, the Shelby invoices. So some pretty good paperwork with this one. So all that comes with. So let's take a stroll and show you guys this 289 HiPo. So this 289 HiPo, actually these 2385, actually is one of those cars that fits in the area where they didn't get a VIN stamp on them. But this car has a 289 HiPo that is dated 14 days before the build date of this one. So it does have a correct date coded motor. Like we said, it could be original. The transmission is VIN stamped. So we know that one is original. You can see that original Shelby tag there, 2385. Beautiful engine bay on this one. Very well sorted. 289 HiPo is one of my favorite motors Ford ever built. Very peppy. Give a lot of mid-range. Fun cars to drive. Anything with a 289 HiPo, 65 to 67. Very fun cars to drive. So we're gonna get in, we're gonna fire this one up and show you guys just how well this one runs. So here we go. All right, here we go. We're gonna fire this one up. So this is a cold start. This car hasn't been started in a few days. So here we go. And that right there are why 289 HiPos are one of my favorites. Like I said, this car hadn't been fired up in a couple days. She fires right up. See around the engine bay. We'll go ahead and give it a couple revs. So very peppy with that Le Mans carburetor, Cobra intake. Like I said, one of my favorites. Very good running cars. So we'll take a stroll around the back here and let you guys hear this exhaust. So here we go, we're back. Let you guys hear this exhaust. Give it a couple of very good sound out of these Shelby tips. All right, let's take it for a spin and show you guys just how well this one drives. All right, we're in 2385, candy apple red, 350 4-speed. Taking her down the road, show you guys just how well this one drives. As I've said in a lot of my videos, 67 350s, especially the 4-speeds, are some of the best driving cars that you can get in the muscle car era. The 289 HiPo has plenty of power, fires right up every time, and this one cruises right on down the road. So this does have the Goodyear Polyglas on it. But even with that, handles very well. You're a little rattled from the Marti report in the back, the elite Marti report that comes with this one. So that's what you're hearing on it. Downshift going into the roundabout. All gauges work, all lights work. Very well sorted car, paint's beautiful. This thing is get in, ready to go. We'll take this corner a little bit hot so you guys can see how well it handles, even with those Polyglas. So we're happy to have this one for sale at Nate's Classic Cars. We're gonna ask $189,900 for this ready to go driver, 1967 GT350, candy apple red, black deluxe interior. We'll see y'all on the next one.